Hi, I'm Martin Carabott. I'm head chef here in Above Its Height, and today we're going to be preparing a couple of dishes using the knives from the Global Elements Earth blog. So we're going to prepare a melon gazpacho as our first dish. So I'm going to start by peeling the vegetables. So I'm just peeling the garlic and the shallot, peeling the cucumber. So next we're going to create a little vessel for our gazpacho. So we're going to use a chef's knife to split this down the middle. We're going to remove the seeds. And then we're going to use our cutter to punch a neat disc. And then using a spoon, we're just going to hollow just the middle bit out. We'll transfer that to a bowl. So we end up with a neat melon bowl. So with the rest of our melon, we're just going to scoop out the seeds, scoop the rest of the flesh into the bowl. Prepare the rest of the ingredients. So, yellow pepper, and I'm gonna roughly dice it, add it into there. Half cucumber. Half a shallot, so thinly sliced. Half a clove of garlic. Pinch of espelette pepper. And a pinch of salt. And then I'm just gonna bruise some lemon verbena leaves and stem. Add that in there. Juice of half a lemon. And a splash of white wine vinegar. Give it a good mix. And I'm just going to allow this to marinate in the fridge for about 4 hours. This will allow all the flavors to blend together. So this is just out of the fridge now after 4 hours. And we're gonna go ahead and blend it to a soup. Transfer everything to a blender. So that's enough blending as well. Take care not to over blend it, just so you keep the flavors in the gazpacho really fresh. So after it's blended, we're just gonna pass that through a sieve, gently pushing it down without pressing too hard. Okay, so next we passed the gazpacho, so we're going to put the melon bowl over. We're going to pour the gazpacho in. And finish it with some olive oil. Serve extremely chilled. So for the next dish, we're going to do a nice summer main course, Tomato Panzanella essentially. It's not the classic version, but a modified version of that. So for that we got a variety of tomatoes. So I have loads of tomatoes from France and Italy. Fresh oregano, red onion, celery, cucumber. We're going to finish this with some burrata, so fresh cheese. We're also going to finish it with some foraged pea flowers and some basil and mint tips. Okay, we're going to start by peeling the vegetables. We'll take half an onion. Now it's just a case of start with the bigger tomatoes, so large chef's knife. I'm gonna cut them into rough 2 centimeter dice. Doesn't have to be precise, just have to be quite big. Some of those, take half of that. So for the smaller tomatoes, I'm just going to split them in half using this little serrated knife. I'll take some. I'm going to tear up some anchovies in there. Quarter. Dice into like 1.5 centimeter dice. And then we're also going to thinly slice some red onion. About half will do. So traditionally with panzanella, one of the ingredients is always stale bread, which is used to soak up all the juices that come out of the vegetables after they're seasoned. So we're just going to cut this stale loaf of sourdough to 1.5 centimeter slices, crusts and everything. This is just a tool to mop up all the juices. So next we're going to season our salad, so we use a good amount of olive oil, a generous pinch of black pepper, some sea salt, a pinch of sugar. We're also going to add in our fresh oregano. We're going to mix it all together. So now we're going to plate up our salad, so we're just going to transfer this to our serving dish. Making sure to get a nice mix of all different tomatoes. Next, we're going to top it with our burrata. So like half will do. Goes on top. Olive oil, salt and pepper. And then we're just going to finish the dish on top with some fresh herbs. So some oregano leaves, some fresh basil, and if you like, some wild pea flowers.